Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Kimber Starlette, and I'm an East Coast model and actress. If you enjoy unboxing videos or similar videos, please don't forget to check out my channel. There's tons of videos I hope you guys all enjoy. Today I'm going to be unboxing my most recent Louis Vuitton purchase. Don't forget to check out all the other social media at Kimber Starlette if you like what you see. I have 2 more unboxing Louis Vuitton videos that I have done, but since this one's going to be a little quicker, I'm going to post this one first. I have been holding off for a few days on wearing it just because I wanted to make this video, and it's been so hard to do that. But I didn't want to wait any longer, so even though my lighting might be a little screwed up today because it's like a super cloudy day, it's not like really pushing in enough light or as much light as I would like to, so hopefully the quality comes out good anyways. I got the box that has the blue handles. This is not the holiday edition. They finally got the different boxes in. So let's get right in. The first thing that is in my box is the receipt. I got mine at Natick Mall in Massachusetts. I like the one in Natick Mall, all except they don't have the perfume there, which is what I originally went there for, which is fine. They made a sale anyways. I think it's like so classy that it matches the bag, and it's just so cute. I hate when stores are like, oh, do you just want the receipt in the bag, and they'll just like throw it in the bag, or you'll end up shoving it in your wallet or something. So you can just put this directly into your files. It's a pretty nice store in that one, although that there is a better one in Massachusetts. The Copley, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, the Copley Plaza Mall has a way better Louis Vuitton over there, and like the mall is just way better. So, I mean, it was pretty busy. I went on St. Patrick's Day and it was a mess. I didn't think there was going to be so many people shopping on St. Patrick's Day, but I guess I was wrong. Here is a cute little box. Are there any guesses for what you guys think I got? You guys can leave them in the comments below. It matches my other Louis Vuitton, so I think that's what really made me lean towards it so much. Oh my god, I've watched so many of these videos and they're like, this is the most exciting part, I feel like. Cute little dust bag. I'm so excited that they finally started doing the drawstring pouches. I think it's so much easier to put like your bags and your belts away. I have a few of the flappy ones, and those things are a pain in the butt, I'll say. These have the blue one since I got it after the holiday 2018, 2017, 18, whatever you get it. So it's way better than the flappy bags. Here we go. Oh my god, guys, it's so pretty. If you guys have been looking into belts, I definitely recommend this one because I love this one. There was a few that I was really interested in, but I ended up going with this one because I like how classic and timeless it looks. The other one I really was looking at was the circular one with the Louis Vuitton symbol in the middle of it, which is so cute. That one's probably about $100, $150 more than this one. And then there was also one that was about $100, $150 below this one that I also really want. But I don't know, this one kind of won me over. If you guys want me to make a more detailed review of it, I will. A few things you want to look for if you guys plan on getting a Louis Vuitton belt is hold it out in front of you and make sure that the leather is actually straight. I got a brand new one out of the box and I almost bought it. I decided to just hold it out in front of me, and I noticed this huge kink in the back of the leather. And even though all the Louis Vuittons lined up where they should be, it was a big enough defect where I didn't want that belt, which like the guy was really cool about. He just exchanged it off of another one, and I got to keep this little plate because there was a wall model, but the plate was so scratched up, and like, I'm not about to spend the money on a scratched up belt. That doesn't make any sense. So I'm so excited. I will be posting this video and my 2 other Louis Vuitton unboxing videos soon. So don't forget to subscribe. I hope you loved this video. Please give a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll try to get to them all. And have a beautiful day. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's so cheesy. Don't forget to subscribe and specifically sign up for the little notifications. It's that little tiny bell app next to the subscribe button. And hopefully you enjoy this video.